Alright, what's up guys? So, pretty much this next couple of clips are gonna be us, the crew, like messing with the truck. And yeah, so we're not the best at recording videos or anything. We're not the best mechanics so far. But yeah, the truck's been in the garage for 2 weeks now. Going for its third week. Pretty much we didn't really work on it overall the first week that we had it because we probably finished it. But we slacked off. Well, I slacked off a lot. And then I got kind of sick, so I didn't really want to work on it. And then I got out of work late sometime. So pretty much unmotivated. Anyways, so these are the video clips that I got from that. And then reason it could have been finished today, but well, today 2 weeks later it could have been finished, but the white pipe wasn't cut to length, to whatever. It wasn't right. It wasn't the right size, so it didn't really work. But I got open headers, but obviously I'm not gonna drive the truck like that because I'll get pulled over and probably be annoying as fuck. But anyways, enjoy these next couple clips. And yeah, I'll probably post a whole video of it later on when I get it, or whatever I end up doing with like welding or something. But yeah, I'm gonna do that for another video. And yeah, I'm probably gonna get a tuner the week after, so I'm gonna record a video of that too. And yeah, but enjoy this next couple of clips.
And where we at?
Alright, well guys, I told you I was gonna put the headers on. We're working on that right now. We got
Come on,
so far what we got done. Alright, we got like
intake. All of that shit.
We got a couple of these bolts up. We're working on getting off the old intake or the exhaust manifold out.
Dirty ass hand.
And pretty much, yeah, so there you go. So what people say is that these tend to fucking break off real quick, and so far, fingers crossed, they don't do that to me. But we blasted them with PB blaster, and I'm gonna change out the spark plugs and the spark plug wires, which I wasn't expecting that. And also my wheel hub bearing went out just before I got home, and I started working on this, so I got a pretty bill after this. But yeah, I'll be running them without no tune, but I'm waiting on my stall because I'm gonna stall it up. It isn't gonna be that big of a stall that I'm going with, but yeah, there you guys go. Alright guys, here. So this is Luis.
Hold on. Gotta get it move out the way.
This is the.
This
is gonna be the. So pretty much this is Luis. He owns the SRT8. It's you guys aren't gonna see it for a while because it's down inside the shop. Worked on. And yeah, so he's the president of Classified Demon, which is who we are.
Is that?
I put a sticker or a picture of our cars pretty much every time I go by it. Well, not every time, just in this video.
Oh my god.
Alright, sorry Peter. Peter's the other one. His name is Pedro.
What's this?
Yeah, this is Ray. That's Ray.
He owns an OBS Tahoe.
He has an OBS Taco. OBS Taco.
Yeah, it's pretty square.
And nobody's on it. And nobody. Okay, but I've been drinking these Mickey's, and I'm deciding to film me a little bit.
Damn,
But,
nigga.
hey, come on.
What the fuck?
Yeah, those are the headers.
They're lying on the.
Yeah, those are mine.
No,
They're all together.
I know. I put them. Yeah, the white pipe and shit.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. I was building a Honda, an H22, and I decided to sell everything, and I said fuck it to that, and I'll eventually build one. These are my wheels that I'm selling these. If anyone's interested, leave a comment down below. But
Shout out to Pedro for the tools.
yeah, shout out to Pedro for the tools.
For the Snap-on, $10,000 fucking worth of Snap-on tools.
Where the fuck is the charger?
But just show them how to fucking what we've done.
So
Actually.
right.
So first off, we started taking off the intake.
And this time we took off an intake because I had a K&N intake on here.
You're playing music, nigga?
I'm gonna cover it up.
Blur that out.
Pretty much, I had the K&N and then the windshield wiper fluid. It'll go into here. You know, the K&N will go into here. It'll be in here. So you took that shit out. We took it out and we left all the little motors in here. I think these are the motors. Pretty sure these are. So we left it in there, and then that way we got access to all of these little bolts. But we're gonna. Everyone says that you have to lift up. You have to lift up one side of the motor because the other side is the quick one and the other one takes longer.
Passenger side is the bitch. And
yeah, so especially on these all-wheel drive ones, I believe. But yeah, we'll see how much of a bitch it is. And then one thing a lot of people say, which I mentioned before when I got these, was don't use the gaskets that come with it. Don't use them because.
Are you gonna buy new ones?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy new ones because they suck pretty much. So don't use your regular gasket. Come with it. Buy some OEM ones. It's like the Best Pro or something like that. I'll hit you guys up back whenever we get this shit done. Well, at least one side completely off, and then I mean on the driver's side it's easy. So far we're gonna pull it up later. We're gonna take out the mount and I'll put the mount.
Check out the AirPods. I don't that way. The AirPods. Alright.
Yeah, guys. Mama's confused. Later on, whenever I have a chance, I'll do a better walk around the truck because it's dirty and it's cold and it's wet. It's fucking gross in Chicago right now.
You're not even looking at the camera, nigga.
I'm looking out with my eyes shirt. Those fucking lights are on. But anyways, yeah, guys. So,
You're looking at this nigga's fingers.
I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Alright.
Alright, guys. Hey, stop making a video. Alright, so gang fool. Pretty much we went to O'Reilly's to buy these clamps because the ones they give you suck. So okay. And then you also need to get your Pro head gaskets and everything. And yeah, ya que andamos a putiza, vamos a adelantar unos burritos. We're gonna... Oh shit! The train track. But I got sick, guys. That's why I sound like this. And yeah, but I think I'm gonna start uploading maybe weekly. Hey, what do you think? We got shit to do weekly?
Every weekend.
Alright, so it's pretty much
on a Monday or Tuesday, depending if you're editing or not.
yeah. I mean, I'm editing. It's pretty good. I did one of the videos that came up pretty good.
No, wait.
Anyways,
Yeah, I know. I saw.
thank you guys for watching. You know, but we're gonna go do this real quick. We're gonna go pick up some jack stands because I only have like 4 and we need more than that shit. But yeah, hopefully I can get that shit done today because the other days we kind of been slacking. By slacking, I mean
Drinking and sitting and standing and not doing nothing and
a lot of people were doing nose candy on Saturday. That was a lot of nose candy that was done on Saturday. Anyway, yeah, guys, we'll keep you updated on what else. Probably next thing we're gonna do is like shoot the video when they're coming out because we got them out. Now we just gotta lift up the motor on one side and pull it out and put a new one in, and then you know. But yeah, I got a headache. I think it's time for my pills. Chill. All right, but yeah, guys.
What we got? We got to record like this. So headers are going in. Hopefully, they go in good.
Hopefully.
They are gonna go.
You said hopefully.
Hopefully, so there they go. There they go. I don't know, but we'll catch you later.
So right here, it's been a while. It's Saturday. It took me a week. We couldn't do it in the last couple of days because yeah, I got busy with other stuff, and but anyways, I had to get some of these, some spark plug ceramic ones with like the 45-degree boot because headers, they're the regular cables here. I'm gonna put you guys right here like this. I don't know how these really work because I don't really have them. But I'm gonna find out today. That's it. That's just regular. Cause there's something about a crimp tool. Magnetic crimp tool included. What does it mean by crimp tool? Oh, these are nice. Oh shit. These are nice as fuck. Wanna feel them, baby? No, feel them. So, anyways, that's a very rude view. Anyways, yeah, so these are my new spark plug wires. I was using those MSD ones or whatever I got at AutoZone, which I'm not gonna use anymore because these are ceramic, so they can heat up and not break or burn or anything. People put boots on it. They put like those heat-resistant boots, but yeah. So that's the update. So far we got the headers off the hard way. We cut them off, and we cut the white pipe and everything off because I was getting pissed. So yeah. So next step is taking off the transmission cross member and all that stuff, and putting them back on and lifting the motor a little bit, moving it around so we can put it all together. So I'm hoping to have it done by today. She's my girlfriend. I've been driving my girl's car around because mine's in the garage. But yeah. So yeah, that's it. So next part of this video. So we got everything. We got the headers in. I'm missing 2 bolts, but I'm gonna go buy those, but I couldn't wait. So we're gonna turn it on in a bit. I need to go pick up the charger because the battery is dead. But yeah, that's how it looks like. My shit's rusty as fuck. But anyways, headers are on, but the white pipe is not, so it's gonna be loud as fuck. The O2 sensors are on in the front. So yeah, all I gotta go do is pick up that charger real quick for my uncle, and you guys will hear it. I still gotta put this brace shit back on there, and that's pretty much it. The wheels, the engine mounts I gotta bolt up real quick, and then that'll be it. But yeah, stay tuned for the next clip because it'll be turned on. Yep. I'm gonna start it up. I'll put my scanner because I got an Android head unit, and I want to check the everything. Alright, here goes for startup. Let me just go in here, turn that off. See if this shit works. Right here. She's working all right.
shit was loud as fuck, huh? But yeah, guys, that's that.
I'll give it a little rapid.